Ayan, si Dapanera. Ayun o, yung nilakad natin o. Dapanera. Michael's, Walmart, Ross, the River City Marketplace. Yeah, River City Marketplace. Olive Garden, no? Sushi. May parkour dito, ang ganda maglakad, no? Ha? Ano yan?
Mahulog ka dito na.
It's a lake? Lagoon?
Bakit? Ay, hindi ko siguro walang... Pwede ko meron pa siyang ano? I don't know. Hindi ako nagtatanong. Saan? Kaya tinatanong ko kung... Natangis na kiniri nila ko yun.
Okay, here we go. Thank you very much, Samuel. Alright. Be careful when you go out there, ha?
Salubungin mo siya, Tiri.
Oh, yeah, wait. Yeah, sorry, yeah. Go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Samuel.
Hindi ba napilido niya? Yeah, pero kung sabihin ko, kailangan ni Mami niya ng
Yan na. Panera, ano, para tiga Haiti yun, ha?
Ano kayo na ba? Kaya ako nagsasabi pero ang alam ko ba makakabayo ng isang gano'n kung
City Station. Upo tayo dito. Oh, chicken soup. Yeah, dito. Mine is chicken soup at saka yung bread na...
Alam mo, which bread? Yung cinnamon crunch?
Yeah.
Cinnamon crunch and chicken noodle.
Yeah.
What about you?
The same.
Cinnamon crunch chicken noodle. What about you?
Ito lang yan eh. We can sit here, me. Sa libit ta. Yeah, do. Ha? Hindi pwede. Dito na, oh. Oh. Wow. See?
okay.
Ganda.
Oh yeah, another cold drinks.
We're going to have two, there's chicken noodle soup. With